kids, let's learn biggest, smallest, highest and longest in India. The tallest statue in India. The Statue of Unity. The biggest Gurudwara in India. The Golden Temple. The largest state of India. Rajasthan. The highest gateway in India. बुलंद दरवाजा. The largest beach in India. Marina Beach. The largest desert in India. Thar Desert, Rajasthan. The longest road bridge in India. Bhupen Hazarika Bridge. The biggest freshwater lake in India. Buller Lake. The largest cricket stadium in India. Narendra Modi Stadium. The fastest train in India. Vande Bharat Express train. The highest dam in India. Tehri Dam, Uttarakhand. The longest dam in India. Hirakud Dam, Odisha. The tallest tower in India. Qutub Minar, Delhi. The highest waterfall in India. Kunchikal Waterfall. Largest saltwater lake in India. Chilka Lake, Odisha. Biggest man-made lake in India. Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar. Largest museum in India. Indian Museum, Kolkata. Largest planetarium in India. Birla Planetarium, Kolkata. Largest port in India. Mumbai Port. Largest river island in India. Majuli Island.